I cannot tell you how excited I am right now. This is amazing. I just tried a new tool that's going to be coming out this summer in Piano Marvel. It will absolutely revolutionize group piano. It's weird because every one of my lessons I'm just like, we got to try this with my new students. I can't tell you a lot about it, but it's called Group Play. And they're going to be revealing it at the Piano Marvel Teacher Conference, which is in Salt Lake City, June 21st and 22nd. If you can make it to that conference, get there. It will change your life. If you have a wedding going on, tell them you can't go. Tell them you're sick. If your brother's getting married even, just tell them, hey, come with me. Whatever you can do to get to that conference, do it, because there's this feature plus two other really, really cool features that I am so excited about. This will change everything. I hope to see you at the Piano Marvel Teacher Conference. Otherwise, we'll send out an email and tell you about the cool features.